G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I've got something really cool here today. It's new to Wurth Australia. It's our pneumatic half-inch compact impact wrench. Now you might be thinking, what's special about it? Well, as we can see, it's compact. It's very, very small. So it's good for doing tight spaces. In my trade, the automotive trade, things like the harmonic balancer and things like that, where you don't have a lot of room. It has 850 Newton meters of release torque. All right, so when you first use it, you can get 850 Newton meters to crack that bolt or crack that nut to get it off. But then it has 610 Newton meters of working torque. But let's get into the cool stuff, what I really like about it. Sometimes when you're working in confined places, you need the smaller head, yes. But you have trouble on the grip because there's something there in the way and you have trouble pushing the control button down or the trigger. With this one, we can loosen this here and we can move the handle in 45-degree increments. So we can take it round to the side so we can actually push it to operate the gun, or we can bring it to the back and use it there, or the other side, or back round to the front. Also too, the exhaust is up here. We can move the exhaust so it's not blowing in our faces or anything like that. So that's a nice feature as well. Now on the back, it has 3 reverse speeds and 3 forward speeds. We'll have a close-up of that in a moment, but you can see it moves around. So there you go. Let's go and see it in action. So I've got the car here, and I've got the new half-inch compact impact wrench. I'm going to remove a bolt. Now, as you can see, it's quite tight, but I'll get you to come in and we'll have a closer look. So I've got my car here, and I want to remove this bolt down here. Now, a traditional rattle gun, you haven't got access and you can't get in because of how compact it is in here. So with the compact rattle gun, I can fit it in, no problems, and get onto the bolt. But I've got the problem of the manifold here. It's in my way to get my hand around the grip. So what I can do is loosen this off, and then I can twist it around 45 degrees. And now I can operate the trigger with my thumb. So let's give it a go. And there we have it, we've removed the bolt. So now you've seen the compact half-inch impact wrench at work. I think you'll agree with the small size head and the power it has, it's perfect for in those tight spots. But what I really love is the handle that I can move at 45 degrees all the way around. So there's 8 positions I can lock the handle into. And what that does is when I'm in a tight spot, sometimes I can't get to the trigger and it stops me from sort of squashing my hand against things so I can move it around and get the trigger where I want it. So what we've done is we've paired the new half-inch impact gun with the Wurth 3-piece impact wheel sockets. Now, if you want to get your hands on these products, simply go to the Wurth eShop or app and punch in the number for the impact gun. When you get to the checkout, simply put in "G'day sockets," and what we'll do is we'll send you your gun and your free impact sockets. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and this rattle gun is definitely ready for work.